This is our pledge for diversity, inclusion, anti-racism, and equity from the Department of Neurology at the University of Miami, Miller School of Medicine.
As a result of the persistent inequalities across our country, we need to explicitly and aggressively assert our commitment to diversity, inclusion, equity, and anti-racism.
We recognize that diverse teams perform better and are more innovative.
Diversity is an important core value at the University of Miami, Miller School of Medicine.
And across all our clinical sites at UHealth, Jackson Memorial Health System, and the Miami VA healthcare system.
As faculty, physicians, scientists, researchers, mentors, trainees, nurses, administrators, and staff of the Department of Neurology,
it is a unique duty and privilege to provide for the health and well-being of neurological patients
in our community and region, as well as nationally and internationally.
As a unified department, our central mission is compassionate patient care, excellence in research, and education of the next generation of neurologists, helping them to become leaders for positive change.
To all our neurology patients and research participants, we acknowledge that these difficult times may impact your health
and exacerbate pre-existing health conditions, both physically and psychologically.
We pledge to unite and provide support for one another, regardless of position, background, or culture.
We also pledge to continue to provide compassionate and exemplary healthcare to all persons, regardless of our differences.
We will serve as advocacy leaders for patients and research participants, and as a role model for our medical students and trainees.
I pledge to be an active and dedicated participant in upholding the University of Miami Miller School of Medicine's commitment to exemplifying the highest level of integrity.
This will include honoring and embracing diversity of all people.
No matter the age, race, ethnicity, immigration status, gender, sexual orientation, religion, political affiliation, or physical disabilities of these individuals.
I recognize that improving racial equality, diversity, and inclusion will be an ongoing individual and societal effort.
As such, I pledge to make inclusivity an important part of my personal development and growth.
In order to contribute to the creation of a work environment that strives for equity, inclusivity, and freedom of all racial and other forms of discrimination.
We can accomplish this with open-mindedness, action, and accountability.
I recognize the hurt and suffering that divisiveness brings and pledge to be an ally in the mission for social justice for all people.
I plan to do so by
being cognizant of the impact that bias and inequity through words and actions can have on others.
Being open to listening and learning from others who share their experiences.
In order to more fully understand and accept that these experiences may be different from my own.
Being a voluntary participant in implicit bias training. Being open to receiving feedback regarding possible blind spots and diminished awareness.
As long as they are rendered in the spirit of mutual respect and openness to dialogue.
Recognizing my right and that of others to speak up when confronted with bias and microaggressions.
Being active in creating a trusting environment built on compassion, and being a role model in showing respect to all people while cultivating fairness and equality.
Being mindful of the value of developing and attracting diverse talent when in the power position to do so.
Being supportive of our medical students and trainees.
Being open to recognizing that as a human being, I am fallible.
Despite this, I remain open to building awareness and promoting diversity and inclusion.
I pledge to strive for, achieve, and maintain these goals to the best of my ability.